of the chapter, your role, would be to be well planned. Now it's a group discussion. Group discussion can be from an organization to either be well prepared for a situation or be well prepared for a problem or an issue or any kind of circumstances where the organization needs your help and support, guys. So for that, when you're aware what is the topic that you have to go ahead with when you become a participant with the group, so for that you need to be well prepared before you enter the discussion, guys. So for that, what points you need to think about is that how you will be helping the company to come down to a joint decision and achieve what they want successfully along with your group mates, guys. Be well planned, plan yourself very well before you go ahead and be a participant for them. Chapter, guys, which is add value to your role. First point that we have in this chapter, add value to your role, would be to have a clear vision. Now one needs to definitely visualize on things, have a vision to a certain thing wherein you want to achieve the goal in. So it should be very clear in your mind what you need to do ahead and go along in the flow with the group. So here it's very important, guys, that you have set a clear vision in your mind the way you have set a clear aim and objective earlier. So once you know that whatever you have visualized about achieving the goal, in the same way if you portray the same in front of the group and make sure that you talk sensible. In the third chapter, behavior check, again we have 10 points to talk about, from which the first point would be speak at the right time. Here in this chapter, guys, we'll be learning how to behave ourselves, how to be well mannered. So the first point that we'll be talking over here is to speak at the right time. Make sure, guys, that you give each and every person an opportunity to talk about their opinions and views. It's very important to listen to them carefully, to be focused the way we've already learned earlier. So similarly, when you get a chance to talk, when you get an opportunity to talk, after jotting down your views the way we have learned and pen down your views, talk only at the right time. So once you see, yes, they have finished, now nobody is really starting, that time, patiently after listening, start your point. So this is to talk at the right time. Come down to our fourth chapter, which is attitude check, guys. From the 10 points, the first point that we have to begin in this chapter, attitude check, would be to have a positive mindset. Once everything is planned well, done well, said well, and all the time you remind yourself that yes, you're going to do it, I do believe in myself, make sure that you are positive all the time. Never think negative. Oh, what would happen if my points are not taken into consideration by the others? What if we all fail? And what if the team, the organization does not approve to our decision? Then what? Don't get these thoughts in your mind, guys. If these thoughts come into your mind, immediately put them out by saying, I have planned myself well, I believe in myself, and I'm going to do it and show it to the company. So this is all the time keeping yourself positive, guys. everyone. Now here we learn that we need to maintain our graceful attitude all the time when we are present in this group discussion, guys. So the very first point that we have over here to talk about would be to greet everyone. Now if there are like 10 to 12 people who are a part of this meet, make sure once you enter the meeting room, you smilingly greet everyone. If it's morning time, say a good morning, not to one or two whom you like and whom you're very friendly with maybe. And make sure that you tell this, you greet everybody equally and with the same good smile on your face, guys. Because you're playing a leadership role over here that we've learned already,